Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, which index option you can choose and what is the strike price you can go ahead, whether it will be a call option or put option. So everything is discussed in this short video, and this video is only for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk, and consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty on a daily chart, it looks like this. After a steep fall, it made a kind of small uptrend and then retraced back and then tried to go up. So as I said yesterday, this 9040 played a major role. If you go into 5 minute chart, it played a critical role. That is where it went up, and then there was a kind of fake movement from this not a fake movement, it's a kind of bull trap, I would say, from 950 to 9150 or something like that, which is the day high. So it went up to that on a single candle and then it came down. So that is a kind of bull trap. Otherwise it made a kind of clear high at 9050 and then it came down. And also yesterday we discussed about the options like 8800 C in the morning and then 9000 PE or 8800 PE in the late evening once the Nifty touches this 9050 range. So that worked pretty well and it made a kind of huge profit for everyone, I hope. And let us see how it will be for tomorrow. And if you see, this is one of the latest high, and then this is a lower high. This is a lower than this, so this we can consider as a peak. So this is high and then this is a lower high. So chart is making a kind of lower high, whereas if you go into RSI, so it is making a kind of higher low. So it is a kind of hidden divergence, and it is saying that a downtrend still exists in Nifty. So tomorrow also you can go ahead for shorting, and tomorrow's target would be somewhere around 8400 or maybe go below that based on the intensity of the selling pressure. So one can expect a kind of lower trend over here. And then if you look at into the 5 minute chart, it also suggests the same thing. So this is what I said, it's a kind of single candle which rose from 9000, made a low of 9018, and then it went up to this 1913 or 1930 range, and then it continuously dropped, and then here it made a kind of 1950 high and then it retraced back. So all these are visible, and then it just rallied down without a kind of any support. Let us have a look into Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty chart is nowhere different from Nifty, so it is also a kind of complete downtrend on a daily chart. Also, it also made a kind of same thing, hidden divergence at this level, and it is also suggesting that it is going down tomorrow also. So that is where it is going to be, and tomorrow also you can see, expect at least somewhere closer to this 17,500 18,000 level, and then further going down it might touch this 17,500 level. So keep your positions open for PE side, and then we will discuss on the option chain, and we will come to the slide which option will be the best option for tomorrow. So if you look into the option chain data of Nifty, there is a huge unwinding. So you can see at these levels huge unwinding, suggesting that Nifty might go down. The pressure is reducing over here and the support is kind of unwinding. So it clearly suggests that Nifty is going down. And on the other side you can see there is a large OI buildup on the call option side, in the out of the money side. So out of the money there is a huge OI buildup, and on the other side put option OI is decreasing. So this is the kind of indication that Nifty might go down tomorrow as well. And coming to the Bank Nifty is also the same, suggesting the same thing, that a lot of call and unwinding is being happening. But you can see this IV is again climbing to the high of 100 levels for Nifty, and then here it is climbing up to 130, 140, 150. It clearly suggests that market is going down, and also your premium will be very high. So play safe and then have a kind of very good kind of returns. So here also you can see a lot of call put option unwinding on this side, and also here there is a kind of good build up is happening on this range, and here a small kind of unwinding. So this clearly suggests that Bank Nifty will also go down, and next support it can take is this 18,000 range, 18,000, and then further going down it will take a support at this 17,500. Let us have a look at Nifty option chain data, and where is the next level of support is. So Nifty, what I said is 18,500 or 400 will be clearly visible. That is where the major support is. Here 16 lakh contract and then here 10 lakh contract. So 8,500 and 8,400 will be a good support for Nifty. Further going down, it might go and touch this 8,000 level. So it is, you can see a lot of unwinding being taken place over here. So this clearly suggests that it might touch this 8,400 or 500 level and then it might go to this 8,000 level. Let us see the SGX Nifty chart. SGX Nifty is somewhere flat, so we have to wait till tomorrow opening, and all the other global indexes are pretty much neutral or somewhere negative. So we have to wait till morning how this SGX Nifty is going to be. And let us see the slide. So this is today's closing, and for a tomorrow's trade, considering Nifty might go down, this 8,600 which is a kind of OTM put option. So this will be a good option. If you want to be little safe, I would suggest to go with this ATM 8,800 put option with 156 as the current price is. So this will be a good one, and if you are a kind of conservative trader and operating with a lower margin, you can choose this OTM put option. And on the Bank Nifty side, the same thing, go ahead with this OTM put option 18,700 with a kind of premium of 300 rupees, and then the ATM put option 19,000 which is currently at 450 rupees. So these two are looking great, whereas I would suggest to go ahead with this OTM put option on both the things. And wish you all the very best and have a profitable day tomorrow. Thank you guys. Thanks. Bye.